Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I'm a licensed real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. And today we're checking out one of my favorite properties that I have seen in all of Lake Chapala. This property is so beautiful and the attention to detail, and it's just perfect everywhere. And it's got little corners. I mean, I feel like every corner of the house is a little different, and there's like, I don't know, not secret passageways, but like, I don't know, there's like a room over here, and then there's one over here, and then there's one over here, and then over here, and the beautiful like vaulted ceilings of the living room. And it's laid out very well. Like sometimes when you have rooms everywhere, it just kind of feels like, I don't know where I am kind of thing, you know, but this one is like fun, and it's got a pool. And then it's one of the, in fact, I think it's the only house in La Floresta where it actually has access to the street behind La Floresta, which is pretty cool because you have the opportunities are endless with that. So I love this property. It's so beautiful. The woman who owns it did a fantastic job with the decor. Ugh, chef's kiss, you know what I'm saying? Okay, before we get started, I just need to let you know about our bed and breakfast and our cafe in Ajijic Centro. Estrellita is the bed and breakfast, and El Gato Feo is the cafe. And the cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to the public. We have air-conditioned seating areas. We have iced coffee, hot coffee, smoothies, tea, and pastries from the French bakery. Her pastries are delicious. And then the bed and breakfast has AC in all of the rooms. Streaming TVs, we pay for Netflix and Amazon Prime, so you don't have to plug in your own information. And all the rooms have new mattresses, reverse osmosis drinking water, safes, ensuite bathrooms, comes with hot breakfast every morning and daily housekeeping. And we are literally walkable to everything. And both the bed and breakfast and the cafe both won Best of Lake Chapala for Best B&B and Best Coffee for the last 3 years in a row. And if you want more information on either of these businesses, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and you'll also find a link to the MLS, because I know a lot of people don't know about our MLS here. So it's chapalamls.net. That's on that on my website as well. And then if you'd like to contact me, you can go to the contact form, fill that out. It goes straight to my email, and we can start a dialogue on either buying in this area or selling in this area. So if you want to get your house listed, now is the time. Things are moving like crazy. Let's go check out this property. This home is listed for $699,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 365 square meters or 3,929 square feet. The lot size is 676 square meters or 7,276 square feet. The HOA is $500 per year. It does not come furnished, and it's located in La Floresta in Ajijic. Okay, so the first house we're looking at is this one right here. It says it's this one, but that is not it. It is this one because we can see the pool here. We can see the garage in the back. The garage has solar panels on it. Here's your pool heating, solar heating right here, and then the skylights in the house, the front yard. This is the garage right here. And then you have a little bit more front yard right here. Real quick, I just want to let you guys know that La Floresta has part of their HOA bylaws that you can not build to the front of your yard any further than this. So that is as far as you can go because they want everybody to kind of have like beautiful front yards. It's more suburban type living. So just FYI, when you see yards like this, there isn't really much you can do except for landscaping. So here's the home right here. You'll notice that this is the road behind where the garage door opens up to that I mentioned in the video. So directly behind this house is Los Olivos gated community. So this is a road that you can come out on if you wanted to and use that area. Let's say if you wanted to use this house for a rental, you wanted to rent this back area, maybe something along those lines, or you park here and your guest parks here because there is a casita right here on this section of the house. That is completely up to you, but it's actually fantastic that there is an opening here. Okay, let's see what's around us. So this entire area right here is Upper La Floresta, and this entire area right here is Lower La Floresta, just FYI. Upper is mountainside, lower is lakeside, and we're using the highway as our divider. And this highway leads you all the way from Chapala to Jocotepec. So this is the Joco Chapala Carretera here. I feel like I can't think clearly today, but anyway. Okay, so you've got Quality Care Hospital, which is excellent place if you need to make an appointment with doctors. Their doctors come from Guadalajara. They're here maybe 2 days a week or 3 days a week here. And excellent doctors. Quality Care is such a great idea that the other day I was like, damn, why didn't I think of that? I mean, of course, I'm not a PhD or anything like that, but so I don't know if I could even do something like that. I'm sure I could. Anyway, who cares about that? I'm a real estate agent today, not a doctor. So that's an excellent resource to have in this area is Quality Care. You also have a 24-hour clinic right down here in Ajijic. So if you had an emergency, like a small emergency, let's say you needed stitches or something like that, you could go down here. What else? Okay. For bigger emergencies, you would probably, Quality Care is more like make an appointment to go see your doctor. And it typically takes about a week or 2 weeks to get in with them, unless they have an opening that day and they can get you in that day. San Antonio Hospital is right here. This is your emergency hospital. So your ambulances would come most likely from here if you wanted to call them for any kind of emergencies. Notice that La Floresta is very close to San Antonio. This is also a highly desired place to live because it's walkable to damn near everything, okay? You've got Walmart right here, AutoZone. The mall is here with a food court and movie theaters, all kinds of restaurants and everything throughout San Antonio here. But the best part about living in La Floresta is you've got the best of both worlds. So you've got San Antonio over here to the east, and then you've got Ajijic over here to the west. And there's a whole lot going on in the highway, the carretera right down here. So that's kind of nice. To get to Ajijic Plaza, if you were walking, would take you 20 minutes. I also just want to let you know that this street right here is where the Wednesday market is. So, I mean, even less amount of time. It would take you 10 minutes to walk to the Wednesday market to get your fresh produce and everything. And then if you were to drive to Ajijic Centro, it would take you 8 minutes. To get to Chapala Centro is a 17-minute drive. To get to Joco Centro is a 33-minute drive. And to get to Guadalajara International Airport is a 36-minute drive today. How nice, how lovely, which means it's dead out there. Not too much traffic. So 30 minutes to get to an international airport is not bad. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments down below. And if you want to see more properties in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you for the next video. Bye.